Hello guys, welcome to my technology. So today show you guys how to add arrow in the Photoshop. For example, in this photo you see I add arrow in the Photoshop by using existing photo view. So there are several arrows in one picture. So how to add it? At least in the Photoshop. So first of all, you're gonna open the Photoshop. Kindly wait a few minutes, and then click new here, create. Okay, so you drag the arrow that you have in your existing PC, drag into the at the top here, center. Okay, so I wanna add this one into the picture. So it's gonna zoom in. Then you use the function crop from here. Okay, crop tool. Because you use only one here. If you drag it to the right and actually it won't touch under. And click on top here. And then you have it's not transparent. So it's gonna make sure it's the background is transparent. So select here, click on select, color range. Okay, so select on the color that you wanna it appear. Now click OK. And then click Control J. Okay. So you disable this one. Then you see here? It's already dragged, yeah, see. So you can drag the existing picture that you have, this one, into the Photoshop on the top here. Okay. So you drag the arrow that you just created, just upgrade update, drag it to here. Okay, you see here. And Control T to make it, you can drag smaller. See. So it's the same, right? So you can click here. You can change the color here by click on this one, FX, and then color overlay. You can change to any color here. Okay. Brown, blue, yellow, white, red, any one that you prefer. And then click OK. That's all. I'm sorry. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it is beneficial to you. Please don't forget to hit subscribe the channel. Bye-bye.